Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by verifying essentials, Node 14 or newer and DNA Launcher v2. X installed because the runtime enforces compatibility. Once done, generate or import a keypair and set launcher KEY so the launcher can sign actions. This avoids interactive prompts. Next, open your project folder containing launcher, toml and manifest. JSON, these tell the launcher what to run. Now, run the launcher binary with a config flag to begin. This moves you from setup into execution. You now connect your wallet or API key and pick the network, mainnet, testnet, or local, because the launcher targets specific endpoints. Then run launcher build to compile resources and fetch dependencies. If versions mismatch, update manifest. JSON to align semver ranges and rebuild. Once the build succeeds, use launcher run watch to start the service and stream logs. This gives real-time feedback and auto-reloads when you change code, which speeds iteration and debugging. You finish by deploying with launcher deploy env equals prod or staging, because explicit environments prevent accidental releases. After deployment, perform health checks against endpoints and inspect logs for errors, latency spikes, or permission denials. These confirm success. Make sure to rotate keys and store backups of launcher, toml, and manifests. If something goes wrong, check logs first. Often a missing env variable or permission failure is the cause, and restart the launcher after fixing the config.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.